So, our question for today again is regarding food. We're all used to having mustard, that little bit of mustard in almost all our food. So, why is it that we use mustard? How does that little 1 teaspoon of mustard make a difference to our health?
Yeah, mustard seed is integral part of Indian cooking. There are areas in northern India, even here, but we don't cultivate mustard here in down south. But there are a lot of Rajasthan, Haryana, those areas in now that they cultivate a lot of mustard because they use mustard oil. So mustard seed is one component, food component. It's a seed by itself. It's called the mustard seed. You have the darker color one, you have the yellow color one, you have the white color one. There are three types. What normally we use is the dark brown color. So mustard seed is the only component in the world has cyanide in it. I don't know how many people know about it. A cyanide is a carbon atom bonded with 3 nitrogen atom. It's a cyanide, cyanide molecule.
Okay.
So it has a cyanide in it. So those who are from the childhood who are used to mustard seed oil in their cooking, regular cooking on a daily basis in North India, it will suit them because they are used to it right from the beginning because their liver take the load.
Right.
But people who are not used to it will not like the smell, number one. Also will not suit their liver at all. This is one. And in our system, if you see, mustard seeds are normally the Tamil medical science asks you to avoid it during the days you have medicines because it has cyanide in it. It has the capacity to neutralize your medicine. So mustard seeds are not been asked by the people who practice medicine in those days. Please avoid mustard seeds because it has cyanide. And why they use mustard seed is a very interesting phenomenon. We make all our food and then we temper our food with little oil and mustard seed, right?
Right. Yeah.
You do that. Why do you do that? There is a real fact and phenomenon behind it. So we grow for many thousands of years. We grow our food in the agricultural field. Say for example, we are growing paddy for rice. The owner may not pay the laborers properly. So if the owner is not good, so the laborers will curse the plantation. So that effect is there on the grain.
Right. Yeah.
Next one is you have a lot of birds flying around on the skies on your land, and they excrete their stools, and which comes and falls on the grain.
On the grain, right?
Yeah. Then you have a lot of rats. In always in the find you can find rats. They pass urine that touches the grains at times. Then you have a lot of pests, lot of insects. They excrete a lot of things, snakes. So many things are there. So these are natural contamination on the grain. The grain absorb all these things. So when, likewise we grow vegetables, likewise all food commodities are grown, all are having this problem. So we take the grain and then remove the shell and take out the rice, and we store them and we cook them. So you make 1 or 2 gravy, 1 or 2 vegetable. So the vegetables and gravies are tempered with the mustard seeds, and you mix that with your rice and eat it. When you temper your other foods with mustard seeds and then mix them with rice and eat, all this human curse and the natural chemical contamination gets neutralized.
Okay.
Because cyanide has that effect. Everything is a chemistry in this world in the end.
Right.
The ancients have practiced chemistry beyond physics. So chemistry is what counts in the end. So they have identified mustard, which has the capacity because it has cyanide, which can neutralize all the natural chemical contaminations, by birds and insects and rats and snakes and so on, and the human curse also, they neutralize all those things as they temper the food, and then these foods are mixed with the rice and taken. So mustard seeds plays a lot of role there. So now in this present civilization, in 2021 we are sitting, I don't know how many people know about this. This is the this is the anthropology of mustard seed, how it came into our existence of our cooking. So everything has got a significance, everything has got a meaning behind it. This is the fact for you on the mustard seed. Okay, thank you.